Um, can the palace set the record straight that the president acted on fully verified information at that time or initial reports? Because some observers are saying the announcement may have been premature on Zaldico.
Okay. Gusto rin natin liwanagin dahil na maraming nagsasabi na ang Pangulo daw mismo ay nagbigay ng fake news. Unang-una, kung mapapansin niyo po, April 16, unang nag-post ang Pangulo ng kanyang mensahe. Nahuli na si Zaldico. Pag sinabi nating nahuli na si Zaldico, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is an arrest. Ang nahuli na salita ay very general. So kapag nahuli, pwede nating sabihin na napahinto, na-stop, na-prevent sa pagkilos, at hindi mali ang Pangulo sa kanyang inulat noong April 16. At sinabi pa nga niya dito na we are in close coordination with the Czech government to ensure that all legal processes are followed and to arrange for his return to the Philippines at the soonest possible time. Dahil yun ang nais ng Pangulo. Kaya makikipag-coordinate sa Czech Republic. April 17, nag-post siyang muli. Ang sabi niya rito, our coordination with Czech authorities continues. The latest information confirms that Zaldico was stopped at the German border after entering from the Czech Republic. He was denied entry and returned to Czech authorities where he remains in custody. Hindi po ito mali. Hindi po nanggaling sa Pangulo mismo ang salitang aresto. Pero hindi rin po kinakaila ng SOJ that the movements of Zaldico were restrained to a certain extent. At nung nalaman na ang bansang Czech Republic ay hindi ginagamit ang salitang aresto, na hindi naman ginamit ang Pangulo at sa ating press briefing sa Iloilo, hindi natin ginamit ang salitang aresto. Kung ginamit man ito ng PCO, dahil yon ang kanilang pag-translate, most probably salitang nahuli